Hi guys, welcome to the next section, logging, debugging, and testing. Now, we move on to the first video of this section that deals with using Ember.Logger. Ember.Logger is a robust type of logging in Ember. It goes beyond the capabilities of Import's console. In this project, we'll create a simple program that demonstrates how to use some of the Ember logging capabilities. In a new program, first we will add a new index root. For that, let's type Ember.G root index command. This will create a new index root. Next step is to edit the index.js file in the roots folder. Let's open the root.js file. Here, we will add some new logging. Ember.Logging gives us 5 different logging options. All these different types of log methods accept one or more arguments. Each argument will be joined together and separated by a space when written to the browser console window. This is the basic form of logging in Ember. It simply logs the values to the browser console. The info logger logs a message to the console as an info message. In Firefox and Chrome, a small eye icon is displayed next to the item. The error log prints the console with an error icon, red text, and stack trace. The debug log prints to the console in blue text. The warning log will print to the console with a warning icon. The assert statement will return an error and stack trace if the value returns false. Now we will fire up the Ember server. We will get a console window. This is our console window. The Ember.Logger is a more powerful console logger. It's a robust logging tool to make debugging easier. Ember.Logger is built in the Ember CLI package.